Academia.
What are these wellies? Stop. Sit down there.
There's a fire over there.
Should we go and have a look at the bonfire?
Sit down.